How to get free Temu credit. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Temu is an online shopping mega store that offers just about any product you can imagine. You can buy car accessories, clothing, kitchen appliances, electronics, outdoor furniture, power tools, baby clothes, and everything in between. Temu's standout feature is that many of these size products are incredibly cheap. According to Temu, the reason it can offer such low prices is that its supply chain is streamlined. It argues that it has cut off all the middlemen and can offer wholesale prices. You can get credit on Temu without inviting friends, that is by participating in contests, games and promotions. These are organized frequently by Temu and you can win credits and rewards by participating. Use discount codes. Temu offers discount coupon codes that you can use during checkout for additional savings. Also, you can use daily check-ins, open the Temu app daily and check in to earn points. These points can be redeemed for free items or discounts on products. Participate in events and giveaways. Keep an eye on the Temu app for ongoing events or giveaways. To get offers and discount code of Temu, you can launch any of the browser. Now type in Temu coupon code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. You can go through any of the website option. All you have to do is open it. For instance, I will be opening this one. Once you open it, you're gonna find tons of offers and coupon codes. Now you can copy these coupon codes and apply it. So all you have to do is click on View Coupon, copy the coupon. Now you can launch your Temu app. Now whenever you check out, you can apply this coupon code. So this way you can get free Temu credit. At the end, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.